Welcome to this BoldDesk tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create an API key in BoldDesk. This key is a secure token used to authenticate users and authorize access to the BoldDesk REST API. Think of it as a password that lets applications interact with BoldDesk services securely. With the BoldDesk API key, you can automatically create and manage support tickets from your website, apps, or third-party platforms. Sync customer data between BoldDesk and your CRM, keeping your support and sales teams aligned. Pull real-time analytics and performance data into your dashboards to monitor support efficiency and customer satisfaction. Integrate your knowledge base into external platforms. And connect BoldDesk with chatbots, internal tools, or custom portals. To create an API key, first log in to the BoldDesk agent portal. Click on your profile icon and select View Profile and Settings. In the Settings page, navigate to the API Keys tab. Click Create API Key, give it a name for identification, and hit Create. Your API key token will be generated automatically. Make sure to copy and save the key securely, as you cannot generate it a second time. This API key can now be used in the HTTP header of your API requests to prove your identity and permissions. If you have learned something new, drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.